You are going to love the 2005 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.